guys, welcome back to Sophia's Surprise Show. Today we have the LALALOOPSY baking oven and we're going to try it with the mug cakes from Duncan Hines.
Get started.
Okay, which one do you want to try first? Do you want to try the confetti cake or the brownie? Confetti cake? Okay.
I'm trying in the baking LALALOOPSY baking oven.
Yeah. Put it in there. Oh, look, these are sprinkles.
Yeah, sweet.
Ooh.
It's so cute.
3 tablespoons of water. Or you can add milk if you guys wanted to.
Okay.
But we have water here. It's 2, right? And 3. Okay, can you mix it for me?
Wow!
Ooh. Okay, so now we're going to pour this in a pre-greased pan, but not too much. Maybe you guys can see there's a little line we went up to there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, so we just finished cooking our first cake. This is the confetti cake. Look how it looks perfect. 8 minutes exactly, right? Yeah, it smells really good. And now let's do the brownies. Right? Yeah? Okay. Can you get that one for me? Where is it?
Okay.
Here it goes.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay, let's put my mixture.
Ooh, brownie chocolate. Oh, is it the chocolate?
You see chocolate chips in there?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
I see chocolate chips.
1
Mm-hmm.
and
2.
2.
Oh, it's this chocolate.
Well, go ahead, let's mix it. See it? Ooh, it smells good, right?
This is gonna cool down.
Yeah, we gotta let it cool down now. Okay guys, so we just finished baking our brownie and we have here our confetti cake. And it smells so good, right? Okay, so Sophia wants to decorate. We have some frosting right here. And we have some sprinkles.
Rainbow. Oh. Okay, guys, we're finished.
Yeah! Okay, here is our confetti cake. So let's see how it tastes like, right? Just here. And
That one's like a pizza.
I'm cutting it like a pizza, right?
Yeah.
Okay, which piece do you want? That one? Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay.
Cheers!
Let's see.
Thumbs up. That one is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's cut our brownie. And I'm actually really excited for this one because I love chocolate.
That was like a pizza.
I'm cutting it with a pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, choose your piece.
Oh, it's cold.
I'll take this piece right here.
Okay.
Yes, that is so good.
It's not bad. We eat the cake.
Oh, you like the cake one? Okay. Yummy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We really enjoyed using these Duncan Hines milk packets. We're definitely better than the ones that came in the LALALOOPSY oven. Did you enjoy it? Which one was your favorite? The brown? Oh, you like the cake? The confetti cake?
The ones for watching the comment.
Yes. Leave a comment and subscribe. Bye!